Did you know that it is a myth that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis? Knuckle cracking has been shown to be neither beneficial nor harmful. The sound that is generated when you crack your knuckles is thought to come from a change in pressure within the joint. Negative pressure pulls nitrogen gas into the joint temporarily, causing a cracking sound. To disprove the theory that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, Donald Unger took it upon himself to crack his left hand at least twice a day, leaving his right hand alone for 60 years. He is arthritis-free in both hands. He then received the IG Nobel Award in Medicine in 2009. He demonstrated, if only anecdotally, that cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis.